Hey everybody, this is Taylor with Top Pick Trading. I want to show you a second trade today. See this possible larger key entry point here. So you can see if I draw the tighter one, we've got to break a new high, but the highs fit really well off this larger uptrend. So we're going to hold it here and see if we bounce off of it. This would be a failed second entry short. Let's see what else. We are coming off the range high, so it's a little riskier. But the EMA is turned now, and if we bounce off the EMA and the trend line, depending on how the signal bar and setup bar looks, I may take this long. You can see how nicely that fits. Color this for you. And there is I drew this downtrend on here, this like spiking channel down, but it's probably not valid. I just had it there for bias confirmation, but you can see we didn't touch the lows, so not so convinced of it. So, and actually, it looks like we ticked higher, so this would now also be a second entry long in addition to a failed second entry short. Also on top of this, it looks like two legs up. Just delete this. It looks like two larger legs up, so this is it's kind of like a twofold failed second entry short. And we got that perfect bearish setup bar that probably roped in some shorts. So if we tick higher here, I'm probably willing to take this engulfing. I may wait for the close, but let's see how it forms. Some might say this is congestion. It's 3 bars side by side, but the way the setup bar moved really looks like a trap of the shorts if we can tick higher. So let's see how our signal bar looks, and you can see we're bouncing right at the EMA and the key entry point, and the larger trend line key entry point. And we get a perfect bar. I'm going to take it where the engulfing would have been. Alright, you can see this was a second entry long and two forms of a failed second entry short. See the overall bias here, but really since the open we had that one leg down, and we've been in this range ever since. So really kind of stalling, so you don't like to see that on a failure, but I really like this signal bar. It is a little far from the EMA, but really look like it traps shorts. And there's a gap on the chart from Friday, so maybe we try to go back and fill that. And also we're just going for 6 ticks on this trade based on the ATR. It's a little over 11, but so really we could go for 5 or 6, but I'm going to go ahead and go for 6. It is stalling, but I still feel fairly confident about this. May have gotten ahead of itself just a little bit with that big bullish bar. But this really looks nice in my opinion. Major downside is that we were coming off the range highs and the signal bar is a little big. Everything else looks really nice in my opinion. And we touched our order. Let's see. There we go. We get the scalp there right at the range high, so it may keep going, but I want to go ahead and take it in full. It's been a rangy day, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Failed second entry short and a second entry long off the key entry point in EMA. Have a good one.